Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to look at the price of cable as the US CPI data has come out and cable has broke to the upside. So really interesting move today. We can see that the CPI data came out as a negative, so it actually came in lower than anticipated across the board really. So we saw CPI month on month come in at 0.1%, down from 0.4%, big sort of surprise there. We then saw a drop to 7.1% on the CPI year on year from 7.7%, and then the core CPI dropped from 0.3% to 0.2%. so inflation on the whole coming down there for the US. That is almost certainly going to lead the federal funds rate being a 50 basis points move into 4.5%. So that's going to be very interesting, and the market has taken that negatively for the dollar, and pound has recently traded through these highs. So what's next for cable? Because now that we're trading through these highs here at the 123, one spot 23.50 handle, are we going to see a move up to the next level of resistance, which I've got marked in as the one spot 26.25? That's a potential 270 pip move to be had in the market there. Now, the only thing that's kind of putting me off at the moment is I do have this bullish channel pending at the moment, and it is at the bullish channel highs, so we may get a move down and then maybe price staying within the channel rather than trading through the horizontal highs and continuing higher. So that's one thing we got to be aware of. I think the only thing that we could tell if price is going to do that is if it does start to trade through back through this area here, maybe create a lower high, and if it does, then maybe price is going to come back down to the one spot 22 handle before continuing to make its move to the upside. However, alternatively, we could see price just having a slight pullback before the price continues higher. And what I mean by that is this area down through here is where price consolidated before seeing price push to the upside. So we may get a slight pullback into this area before the buying occurred. Buyers may step in at that point, and we may see the continuation to the upside. So if that was the case, we could see sort of price rally about 320 pips to the upside if price does want to stay above these highs here, and if the dollar does continue to weaken. But just flip over to the dollar index, we have dropped now. Price has come into the 103.50 handle, which is where we expected the dollar index to come to last week, and we're in that zone now. But I do think there could be some further drops to come just because of what we've seen in the nature of the markets this week. We may even see a continuation now down to the next area of support, which could be these supporting lows here combined with this higher time frame trend line. So we could see something like this happen. So keep your eye on cable. Looks like we are going to see some further upside here. We're breaking into these fresh highs. I wouldn't mind seeing a pullback down into this rectangle here for opportunities to see further long positions coming into play. So I'm going to leave it there. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to get some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you soon.